This is Public, the outdoor show that focuses on hunting and fishing in public lands.
That'll work.
Perfect shot. Welcome to today's episode of Public Outdoors. Tonight we're going alligator hunting in the Florida Everglades. My friend Davi tags along my giveaway hunt. Last year I gave away an alligator hunt. We go and do that hunt. We kill an 11-foot gator. It was so much fun. Check out that video in my video section. But after that hunt, we still had some time, and Davi had never killed a gator, so I was able to put him on his first gator that night. Y'all come check it out, see what it looks like. This hunt was so much fun, and it was quick. We didn't have much time, but we still wanted to fill our second tag that night, and we came across this alligator, and we jumped on it quick. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Get up there. Get up beside him. Get him. Hit him. Back up. There you go.
Pull that out of there.
Pull that stick out. Grab the rope and back up. He's really close to it. He's coming up head first. Grab the rope. Pull it up. Nice. Here. Nice. That's how quick it's supposed to be. Yeah, that bullshit we used to do.
You got that dart in them, good?
Here. I have another dart if you need it.
Go ahead and bang stick them before we put too much more pressure on.
I'd like to spin them around.
I was able to hook up to this alligator quick, and we were able to fight it to the bank real quick. And then as soon as I passed the bang stick off to Davi, he got in there and did his business quick as well. Get close to him and then hit it.
That'll work.
Perfect shot. Perfect shot, man. That gator's dead. He just split his skull in half.
Now that one we don't have to
All right.
That's Davi's first gator.
Yeah, it is. Look, come here. Come down here, look. Do you see where you split it open right there? You got to get some blood on your face for your first gator. Woo! I'm talking about done. Congrats.
Thanks, man.
Congrats.
Thanks, Mr. Hunter. Hell of a shot.
He's over 9.
Oh,
woo! Gator hunt!
Where's that dart at?
I guess it pulled out in its full length.
Not quite 9.
He's 8'5". He'd had the rest of the tail. Davi, this was your first hunt.
Yeah.
So you were able to bang stick your first gator and harpoon your first gator tonight. So what did you think about that?
That was a crazy adventure, man. It was a good time. And it was game time. Go time, go.
Yeah.
Split the brain in half, right?
Davi hit the gator right square in the middle of the skull and it split it right in half. But that's a good, clean, ethical kill.
There you go.
Couldn't have done it any cleaner and faster.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Yeah, so great job with that. That was a really good shot with the harpoon too. You got that gator and we got it up. We're gonna go sell that gator. All right, so thanks for hunting with me tonight, guys. I really enjoyed it. I enjoy these hunts. I love for new people to be able to experience it.
Thank you.
I love to experience a beautiful place like we just went to. It was actually really pretty out here tonight.
Tons of gators.
There were a lot of gators. Thanks for watching this episode of Public Outdoors. It means a lot to me that you've stuck around and watched the entire video. If you want to see more, just click the button over here to the side. It says subscribe, and you'll get email notification every time I upload a new video, which I try to do once every 2 to 3 weeks. So y'all stick around, check out the rest of my page, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing, and we'll see you guys out there.